What's up, everybody? Stixx Picks here, back with a video. We're here at the flea market and it is a bit dry, not gonna lie. I mean, it's still early though. I'd say it's about 6:20 something, so we still have time for people to show up. Guys, it's very dry out here today. It's still early, like I said, so I've been here enough times to know how the day is gonna be from pretty early, and I could tell it's gonna be a dry day. You just dump this stuff and everybody's going. Everybody's going. Wilson Sporting Goods helmet. You know, that's gotta be worth something, right? How much you asking on this? $2. I mean, yeah, I paid $2 for it. Square, right? It's gotta be worth something.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right, back to our booth. Now we're selling a bunch of just random stuff. You already know, I say the same thing every time. It's just random stuff, right? Bunch of nice sheets and blankets right there. Brand new soft and cozies, the brand. You guys just look them up. I know that's worth some money. I set this aside from our booth. There's something under there. It's like a little $30 item. I just knew it was worth something. I can scan it. Simple. What's up, Uncle Michael? You want to just carry this out real quick, Uncle Michael?
Wow, this is cool. This should go to Alameda.
That's so cool. How much you asking on the console? How much? 25. That's pretty solid. I would do it to almost, guys, but you know, look at that. I don't really want to do that. Here we go, another crowd. When you see a crowd, you just move to it. It's a freaking brand new helmet. Let's just see how much they're asking on it. Brand new helmet, $10. Not bad. Look, this thing's freaking brand new. This thing's never even been touched.
That was $5. Monday? Sunday on a Chevy, yeah.
Alright, I mean, this is kind of weird how this works. I bought a helmet earlier. Never really bought a helmet before to resell. Like, we got our second one ever. Same day, that's weird. Kind of surprised they said 5 for this one. He saw the other one, he said I had a box. He said 10 for it. Makes sense, but this is actually the more expensive one that I noticed. You can almost like kind of tell that's like a higher quality one. I don't know if you can just tell by looking at it, but I saw it, I was like, that's definitely more higher quality than the other one. How much are you asking on that controller?
$5.
You never know, I don't know. Damn. Taking this from our booth. Took this from the booth just because why the frick not? Hadn't sold yet. If it sells, it's gonna be cheap. I took this from the booth too. I took like $50 from the booth. Those aren't gonna sell for even close to $50. That's why I even do that. Do you you take Cash App? Do you have like a Venmo or Cash App? Because I don't have any cash on me. I have Zelle too. I never use Zelle. I don't really know how to use it too much. I think it's just your number, right? All right. You can put it in, I guess. You know if the Xbox, like, it works and all, or? All right.
How much is present?
All right. All right, it went through? All right.
Let me see if I have a bag.
I'm good. You're good. Thank you. All right, guys. Got it for $20. Hey, also, it's good to do that if you're able to. If like they take Venmo, my dad said it's good for a write-off later on, you know. I don't have many write-offs, but I do spend a lot, you know, and it's all in the books. So I do need stuff to write off, per se. It's maybe some like, I know I can write off like things like my eBay like shipping and stuff like that later on. We got that for 20 bucks, and I'm pretty sure the Xbox can sell upwards of like 80 bucks. It's really dry out here, to be honest with you guys. It is really dry. It could be better. Like, look at, even you can just tell right next to our own booth it's dry. Look at, that's 1, 2, freaking like 4 different aisles or rows are just empty right here. Like, usually these spots are full of people. Like, what's going on today, guys? It's a Thursday too. It's literally a Thursday. What's going on today, guys? Not bad, 30 bucks for all these. I unfortunately don't even have 30 bucks on me. I don't know, VCRs are annoying. Yeah, definitely learned the silver ones sell better than the black ones. You got 20 bucks for all 3 of these?
No.
How much for these 2?
25 last price.
Last time I bought one of these things, they got returned because they didn't work. Or something about like, there's like an issue with them. These things are kind of annoying to deal with. How much you asking on the PS3?
25.
You take 20 on it?
Huh?
You take 20 on it?
Okay. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
Okay.
This thing is a bit dirty, guys. This is gonna be my test. It's gonna be a test console, right? It's gonna be the console I try and fix. It's a little messed up down here too, so it's a perfect console to test myself on seeing if I can fix it. All right, everybody, we are out of here. We're leaving the flea market into the warehouse, and I'm giving you guys an update there. We are back at the warehouse, and look what we got today. We spent, let's see, 20, 40, 7 bucks, okay? 47 bucks. And these 2 I took from the stall. I just took them from the pirate. He doesn't even know I stole from him. Yes, and this is 40 bucks on eBay. And I didn't actually find this keyboard exactly, but I saw, if you just look up this Quiet 5S510 or MS510, I see like other ones sell for 100 bucks, 80 bucks, just not that exact number. So I'm assuming I could sell this one for at least 50, right? I don't know. We'll just have to do a little more research. And now, time to test these 2 consoles, make sure they work. If they work, 70 bucks, 80 bucks, give or take. It's around that number. It might even be 70. So it's around, it's really close to that number, depending if I want to go a little bit higher or lower. And it's just, I have a bad feeling about this one though, guys. Since it's a little bit dirtier and some stuff like that. And if it doesn't work, I'm fine with that. I'm kind of down just to like test around with this console and see if I can fix it up, because I need to learn to do so since I'm buying a lot of these type of consoles, right? Uh-oh, okay. Uh-oh, that's a bad sign. We'll learn how to fix that, guys. Looks like we have to learn how to fix that. All right, plugged in, let's see the PS3 works, and turned it on. Let's see what happens.
3 feet. You got 3 feet.
I don't think this thing works, guys.
Keep it going. Keep it going.
Okay, there definitely is an issue with this. Let's try it one more time. Let's see what's going on.
Yep. 6 inches more.
You see what's going on, guys? Tell me what's going on, guys, in the comments below. I'm not exactly sure. Maybe I can learn to fix it on my own. All right, guys, it's the next day. I'm getting trolled, but I was trying to talk. He's setting up a whatnot, looks like, right?
Yeah, we're gonna have a whatnot here next Sunday. So.
You guys already know. Every Sunday, storage auction pirate. Check it out. $1 starting bids, at least like 150 lots. That's like our average. You know, today we packed a little item we sold on eBay. We sold this item right here. I had it up for, I want to say like 650 bucks, and somebody sent me a $500 offer. I mean, I didn't pay anything for it because our neighbor, he asked if I could sell something for him and I'd give him 100 bucks. I was like, sure, I'll do it. I'll sell it for you. I sold it for 500. It's like, after taxes, I'd probably say like 320, 30 bucks profit. It's pretty good, right? Hopefully we have no issues with it. That's all I'm hoping. The warehouse is a freaking mess, by the way, guys. You can just look what's going on right here. We got all this packet stuff on the ground. We just got a whole box of packet stuff chilling. We got some seeds. Everything is just all spread around. What's going on? It's just straight chaos. Look at all these boxes stacked up there. All right, guys, as you can see, we're still a top rated seller on eBay, doing pretty well. I'd say we're up like 78.9%, it says, in the last month, which is pretty good. I've never actually hit this performance tab and like noticed how much I've sold. But I've sold a decent amount on eBay, it looks like, since I've started. I've sold about, is this like after taxes, included taxes? I've sold $11,000 on eBay so far. But net sales, so I think this is like take home money, right? It's how much I've actually gotten. It's $6,803, which is, it's pretty good. I'd say that's about, that's pretty good for my first year. I don't actually give too many updates on my eBay. So that's just a little update right there. That's how much I've sold within about 1 year on eBay. And with that being said, if you guys have watched this far, that means you watched my whole video. Thank you guys so much for watching this far, and put a heart in the comments if you watched this far. Peace out.